サイレンスズカどこ？サイレンスズカ。After watching season 1 of Umamusume, I fell in love with Siren Suzuka. バクシン。あれどこ？ First time I'm watching Suzuka career. I love Silent Suzuka. The anime season 1 made me love her. Be smart. I love her so much. So caring, so beautiful. Have you watched Cinderella Grey? No, I'm about to watch Cinderella Grey on Thursday with my friend. 駆け抜けます。Let's go.
今スタートが切られました。
うわー、爆心。爆心cepet banget. Please. Suzuka! Let's go Suzuka! Yes! Oh, Lucy, you see that maneuvering? That was crazy, yo. The way she like, oh, you see that she takes away from the outside, like, oh my god, that's crazy. Mwah, my smart Suzuka. Why Suzuka being trained? Because I want to, because I'm in love with her.
But I really appreciate it. Wait, I can bow to you to express my appreciation. Thank you.